Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something truly exciting. A futuristic camper that blends luxury, technology, and adventure into one sleek design. This is not just any camper, it's Honda's upcoming GCT camper, a game changer in the world of travel and exploration. If you've ever dreamed of hitting the road with comfort and style, this could be your dream ride. From the outside, the Honda GCT looks like it belongs in the future. Its aerodynamic curves, bold detailing, and premium finish make it stand out immediately. Unlike traditional bulky campers, this one has a compact yet powerful presence that screams modern engineering. The sliding door opens up to reveal a glimpse of what might be the most stylish travel interior you've ever seen. Step inside, and you're greeted with luxury. The spacious seating area features plush captain chairs designed for long journeys, complete with armrests and a foldable table. Ambient LED lighting creates a warm and relaxing atmosphere, while large windows allow plenty of natural light to pour in. It feels less like a camper and more like a private lounge on wheels. What makes this camper even more exciting is its smart space utilization. Honda has managed to combine comfort and practicality in a compact form. Everything is designed to maximize convenience for travelers, from the elevated flooring to cleverly integrated storage. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a cross-country adventure, this camper adapts perfectly to your lifestyle. Honda is well known for reliability, but with the GCT camper, they're taking things to an entirely new level. It's not just about transportation. It's about creating unforgettable travel experiences. Imagine cruising down scenic highways with all the comfort of home right behind you. This is the future of road trips, designed to make every mile more enjoyable. So, what do you think about Honda's bold step into the camper world? Could this be the vehicle that redefines van life and travel luxury? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear if you'd take this futuristic ride on your next adventure. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Honda GCT camper, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your travel-loving friends, and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming reviews and sneak peeks into the latest automotive innovations. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next.